In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the steering wheel on a C4 Corvette. Right here we have a 1992 model, and the leather wrap is just kind of coming apart, so I'm going to show you how to take the steering wheel off and put the new one on. First thing you want to do is drive the vehicle forward and put some blocks behind the front wheels, and then just put it in neutral. Let the vehicle automatically center the front wheels for you with the blocks. And then you want to unhook the battery, wait about 30 minutes, just for, that's common practice for removing airbags. Then you're going to take a T27 Allen wrench, or you can put a T27 bit in a socket extension like this. And right back here, you have a hole on the back side of the steering wheel, and same thing on the other side. Now those have Loctite on them, so they're going to be difficult to remove the whole way out. You're not just going to break them loose and come out easily. They're going to have some resistance all the way through. Once you get those two out, you can pull off the airbag and remove the yellow clip on the top. Set the airbag aside, and let's take a look inside here. So we have our yellow clip for the airbag, and then we have our clock spring unit right here. So this is going to maintain power while you're turning the steering wheel. It's spring loaded, has a little contact, and goes down inside there, and the wire is retained by a little notch on the steering wheel. See that right there? So what you do is you put that in and then clip that into place. And that's going to keep tension on this unit here where the spring's at. So let's go ahead and pull that out of the way for now. There should be a new one on your new steering wheel for your horn buttons. See, now they don't work. I've pulled that out. The next thing you want to do is get a 13/16 socket, preferably on an impact if you have it, and we'll remove that nut. After that, you're going to need a steering wheel puller. You can buy one or you can make your own. You can see the part number in the top right hand corner to buy this. So I've had this kit for a long time. Only used it a few times, but the couple times that I needed it was really useful. Alright, so once you have your steering wheel centered, we can go ahead and remove the center bolt. There we go. And once that's out, we can use our puller. The steering rod will have a hole in the middle that will correspond with the puller here. So you'll need to look at it to see what pieces that you're going to want to use. And it looks like this section here is going to work just fine for me. I don't know if I'm going to need any adapter. I'll go ahead and put the sleeve on there so we don't have any resistance going through it. Then you're going to pick the right size bolts. If you buy the tool, it'll come with 3 different sets of bolts, and they'll go in these 2 holes right here. This is aluminum, so be careful. You can cross thread it, and you don't want to have to deal with that. So go ahead and get these things started. Thread them in as much as you can, because like I said, since it's aluminum, you can strip it out. You want to get as many threads in there to bite as possible. So thread it in as far as you can. Alright, and then you can pull back on the tool, start threading it into place. Alright, once you've got it tight, then you can put a ratchet on it and start to crank down. For this part, it's going to be best not to use an impact because you want to take it slow. Make sure it's coming off straight. There we go. So we broke it loose, and then once you have it broken loose, you can just pull it right off. Make sure you work the yellow connector through the hole in the bottom, and you got your steering wheel off. So now that you have it in this configuration, you can change out the clock spring. It's very easy to do. The small snap ring here at the bottom side. You need a set of corresponding snap ring pliers to get it apart. Past that, what you're going to do, just line up the steering wheel, put all the bolts back in place, and that is it. You're not going to need the tool for the installation of the steering wheel. But I'll go ahead and leave the video recording, and you can watch me put the steering wheel back on. I'll probably fast forward it since there's not a lot of information that you're going to need to know during this step. You can tighten these two T27 screws at the back, and you're good to go. This job is going to be the same for a lot of steering wheels, Ford, GM, and all kinds of imports. It's pretty much the same job, no matter what steering wheel you're working on. If you have any questions about what you saw in the video today or comments, let me know. Thanks for watching.